Welcome to Wits Up. Do you have PCOS? Are you trying to get pregnant? If the answer is yes for both, this video will help you understand how to manage PCOS better. If you have PCOS and are trying to get pregnant, you must avoid harmful and inflammatory foods. Watch till the end to find out the number one culprit that contributes to PCOS. To know the symptoms and causes of PCOS, as well as to get the list of foods that you should eat to manage your hormonal imbalance and inflammation, check out our PCOS playlist and subscribe to our channel. Refined flour. White bread and things made of maida should be avoided when you have PCOS. Refined flour is a high glycemic food and will raise your blood sugar levels. This can aggravate the symptoms of PCOS. This means avoiding store-bought flour products. Go for whole wheat bread and chapatis instead. You can also try flour made from millets like ragi, jowar and bajra, which are low glycemic foods and are packed with fiber. Eliminating refined flours and reducing grain intake can lower blood sugar levels and help you manage your weight better. Vegetable oils and hydrogenated trans fats. Women with PCOS often suffer from low-grade chronic inflammation. Omega-6 vegetable oils like soybeans, sunflower, canola, and cottonseed are found to aggravate inflammation. If you want to avoid ingesting inflammatory foods, avoid cooking in vegetable oils. Trans fats are hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated vegetable oils. What is popularly known as Vanaspati ghee or dalda are trans fats. Research by the Harvard School of Public Health indicates that trans fats increase a woman's risk of infertility. Coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, grass-fed butter, and ghee are some examples of good fat. Coconut oil, ghee, and butter are the best for cooking as they can withstand high temperatures. Use these fats in moderate amounts. Caffeine. Yes, coffee and caffeine-rich products may give you a temporary burst of energy, but they could contribute to PCOS. Studies show that caffeine intake is related to decreased levels of estrogen. However, the effects vary with ethnicity. Increased caffeine levels have also been associated with increased secretion of stress hormones, which can aggravate hormonal imbalances. The acidity of coffee can also cause digestive discomfort such as indigestion, heartburn, and imbalances in the gut microbiome. Caffeine can also disrupt sleep and promote anxiety, which may again raise your blood sugar levels. Alcohol. Alcohol aids in weight gain. If you want to keep your blood sugar and cholesterol levels under control, avoid alcohol. In fact, studies show that even small amounts of alcohol consumption may impact the liver in women with PCOS. This may lead to inflammation, which in turn may magnify the symptoms of PCOS. Soy products. The adverse effects of soy are often a result of biologically active compounds, isoflavones, that interfere with the normal functioning of estrogen in our bodies. Soy is also sometimes considered problematic because of its phytic acid content, which can affect the absorption of minerals by the gut. Studies related to soy are conflicting and inconclusive, so as of now, it is better to avoid. Processed and packaged foods. Stay away from processed and packaged foods. They are often loaded with trans fats, preservatives, and a lot of salts. Not only do these agents make you gain weight, but they also impact your BP and cardiovascular health. Frozen snacks and foods like rolls, desserts, and refined flour breads all contain a lot of trans fats, preservatives, salts, and sugars. Prefer eating freshly prepared food. If you get a craving for something fatty or spicy, try to make it at home instead of buying from the supermarket. Sugary foods and sweet fruit juices. Sugar in all forms is the number one culprit that contributes to high blood sugar, obesity, inflammation, and consequently PCOS. Even fruit juices with or without pulp cause blood sugar problems. The only kind of juice suitable for women suffering from PCOS is green vegetable juice from veggies like bottle gourd, celery, cucumber, carrots, etc. Special tip: go gluten-free and dairy-free. If you have chronic inflammation, you can consider going gluten-free and dairy-free for a while. Gluten and dairy proteins may often lead to complications for people who have thyroid problems. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, which can trigger an immune response in sensitive people. Similarly, proteins like lactose, whey, and casein, which are found in dairy products, can also cause low-grade chronic inflammation. If you are lactose intolerant or have sensitive digestion, try fermented forms of dairy such as yogurt or kefir. You may even ditch the dairy for a while and start with sauerkraut, a type of fermented vegetable. PCOS diet. Things to keep in mind. More than what you eat, you should pay attention to things that you should not eat if you have PCOS. If you avoid harmful foods listed above, you can maintain a healthy weight, control your blood sugar levels, and lead a healthy life. With the right food and lifestyle choices, you can increase your chances of getting pregnant and ensure a healthy pregnancy. If you've enjoyed watching this video, do like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.